Guys, I'm about to pull my tooth. Babe, you ever notice how nobody said them about to pull them tooth, they said them about to pull them teeth?
Yeah, pull them.
But teeth are more than one and tooth are one.
That's true, technically.
Anyways, I'm about to pull my teeth. You get what me I say? And I don't know how it's going to go. So, we just start off the vlog from now. Pray for me. Afraid. The other day, I forget one injection, and I tell her, say, I fight off the nurse. I never did really fight her off, but it wasn't good. Jason, I said, babe, relax. But, anyways, I just want to say, take a eat before my birthday.
I don't feel like it doesn't feel, but that's the part there. It depends how much you can manage.
Okay. Anyways, I'm going to make an ask here. I mean, no matter anyways. I want it to just go right now. Just go.
I don't find Bobby and I say,
I'm a team, yeah, but you want to go to it? It numb now, but may I wait until I feel it fully, cause me know once it start and me I feel the pain. You ever watch the movie there and you see somebody wake up during them surgery? Still I feel my tongue.
why?
Yeah! So pretty.
Get bigger?
Remember say just 6 months.
I post my on Facebook here. Wait till me kind of.
Meet you after 4 months.
Brush off on the shoes.
Brush off what?
Brush off the shoes. Brush off the shoes.
Arrange this?
I'm gonna be married if you can't brush off your shoes if anything. Brush off your shoes. Let's brush off your shoes first.
I want you to know.
No, you brush shoes.
And that me just see myself. No, up in the ear.
Oh yeah.
Come over here. Your mother's yes.
That is heating.
No, that is green work.
You have only yourself tie your lace.
Only myself.
Only yourself.
Me a breathe so me no weak.
Did a baby show?
I wear stool there. Somebody pass one stool. Give me the make I come and put penny there.
No, they was.
Me not cheating. I am not cheating.
How the money is
When
it?
they say we tie our own shoes there.
Try me to see if I can.
So tell us you can always have stool. But you the baby I got your foot now.
You not just put it.
You don't really want to see it.
You want to see it?
You don't really want to see it. Tie this off with one hand tonight. As a baby man.
As a baby Yeah, baby mother can push you, you know. You see, one piece of boot and I take off of my foot, be good to go.
With one hand?
Hey, mate, what it at me?
At one no use.
You're going to say let's
No, hold on.
You know how much
I'm confused, man. I want to them non baby mother, man.
That not work.
No, hold on. First of all, they pull it right out of the
Yes, it. Right.
Generally, they pull it right out of the
General, you have to look in and see my baby mother, I can't see, you know.
You want to put your laugh up there?
Alright,
If
they
she
pull out
laugh-
the show. They pull out the show.
I put on not you.
Alright, we want to see.
Hey, baby mother number 2, come here.
No, no,
You
L,
know,
can't
I
do that.
forgot some
No,
baby can't drop out.
Yeah, you all that too.
no.
Yo, you are crazy. You are crazy, baby, bro.
Think on a slick. I slick her in a drop, you know.
You're not going to make
And every time drop, me just catch back so inside.
That means you call me for everything then, man.
Yeah.
Believe.
So you tell me with one hand to do?
Miracle.
Come, Jason. Ready?
Miracle.
Jason, don't use the stool. Jason, bend. Bend.
Extra hand.
Mr. Ben,
Yes.
if me in that situation, that's how me I go then.
Jeez,
The extra man,
Sit
watch
down,
out.
panic come.
Watch out. We don't like this. Yes! We don't like this.
They can't help me.
Hold on.
They can't help me.
You take off your shoes for time.
No, just for sure we say him have this thing.
I have it locked.
Have it like, alright,
May I go to the cheat code?
alright, give it.
Hold on, you know. Here we know. You see true. This a can't time me just August.
Yeah? No, no.
Jason, no. Tie your shoes. Go on.
I never
Nah, drop off, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Nah, drop off, you know.
He do too much.
Yeah.
I'm feeling again, me just tight.
Hold on. Very
Don't
tight.
have it tight.
Stoop down and tie it.
Then why you not?
So wait, when you lie down on the back
I
and
know
you
one and a half minute can lay down flat pay back and time.
How would you do it?
Thank you very much.
Rotted.
Thank you, baby. See.
come in Ezekiel, you either move Ezekiel. You either move.
That tie shoes me over 10 years now. You don't have to look funny, boy. Just tie. That is it. Get up.
But you going to get up, man.
Watching the man. Watch her, the man. Yeah, man. Don't make me shit. You must say my turn, my grow.
Alright?
Ah, tio.
No, I got
Think them sick, you know.
No, one or two extra. No.
Them sick.
What you say about we now? You can't manage this.
One extra if you do.
We are conquer everything.
Yeah.
Big Maria must have answered again.
I know one good thing.
You get a good thing here.
Hold on.
And you're long down sitting in the press out. You're funny. Your side, you have it sleep, and your next side, your heart chop.
Hold on, let me a wait. Hold on, the baby have to wait.
So, okay, yes, you are able. No, but that's perfect. That's perfect.
That make you.
I feel me.
Really close.
Look at the way me. What's it down?
You're 9 months, you know, you're 9 months.
God is good. You see with the pain when me I go through, you see if you ever give me no trouble. What off it?
And then you can't get up.
No, it take a while.
You can't get up front here.
I front with this.
So which other you might get up?
Can't get up, so.
Me have to roll to my side.
But we can't tell you how to get up, and you pick it up, and
No.
you're the baby
Me
mother.
try to figure
You
this
have to do
out.
everything.
Hold on.
Yes,
Alright, see my bedside.
Right.
So what we are going to do, Gus? No, what did the baby hit?
Yeah, you cannot get up front.
Oh, hold on.
Swing your foot.
The guy told.
See baby, see bedside.
Yeah. Alright. That looks realistic now.
Thank you very much, man. One foot down the panny ground, you know, yeah, man. Yeah, man. One foot down the panny ground. You're gone away.
Okay, watch it, someone. At this
You can't hold up on that.
point, you drop off my bed.
No, they can't hold up on that.
You the bed, everything I come down.
At
You
this
get
point, you
up
drop
night.
off my bed. That's fair.
Yo, I don't know how to do it. Woman a superwoman.
The blame, raise the blame.
Alright, so when we go to class, one of them time, what you name? Them say they use the what? What? I want the tape. So.
I got it, pull it tape before I put on the pamper.
Tape. Put it on the tape already. You use the tape. There's no put your foot.
One thing you have with some persistence, you don't get your road there, so.
Whoa!
Watch your baby head, boy. What you do?
No, if he piss, I don't know.
His head, me say his head, his head.
He head, he not shit, man.
You put over tape on the picking side.
Me stress out. Yanja! Hey. Oh, I go and get some now. Yeah, when you pin that test.
Yeah, boy, push it forward.
Come, fix it.
Remember me, no want to do the job out there and people leak out. Always remember that.
Sweet, him really a shit me and me a change.
Yes!
It looks so true.
Boy, you know no manners.
That happened next time. That happened next time.
You see a part of it?
Yeah, that's a part of it.
Alright, cut it.
Hold on. Remember say, oh baby, there. Remember say your thing have a big, you know, so.
Yeah,
Make
yeah,
people
it's
space
talking.
here.
You want to cry now?
Yeah, man.
Flush out the curtain there.
Boy, that's why you grow fast.
You are get big mother for you.
Yes.
Go on again.
I want to do it for that.
I shall be legendary.
Right.
Well, so what? When people come out like this,
You see what
Catch it on the ground, it's the same one.
aye, then it have just glue, so no man.
Yeah.
Me not get tear it off.
No, we have to.
Well, so what? Me
You
see.
have to teach him coming
Stop,
out
stop,
and do
stop,
one
stop.
thing. You think more to make me handicap me?
Why? Why? Why?
like that, then she blood. Jelania no say. I tear razor and I go tear off the tape by
Ah. Baby, no stinky no
Some
more.
no one don't get no, we don't turn on the child. The child. Well, on man. Come now.
Voila!
Well, I don't get no. You go on, go on again. Turn around, come on, so. Turn the baby now. Turn the baby, cause.
You don't want to see his face?
Yeah.
Aaron, he's shy. Alright, yeah.
I look shabby too. Okay, it's good man.
Alright. Don't do no people. Believe me, man. Don't do no.
Bro, that
Nah, so much you don't go through, brother. Burn out. They make
Hey,
you
put
high.
her down.